Thanks, buddy.
Quinn, look! Look what Santa brought! Come here!
Okay, Daddy.
Quinn, come here! Come over here first! Come over here first! Come here! Look over here! Look over here! Look at your cookies! Look what... Santa ate them and drank the milk! Santa, you want the rest of? Do you want the rest of Santa's cookie? And look at this. He filled your stocking full of presents. Should we see what's in it? Come here. Oh. Tell Mommy, what does Santa say? Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh. What's that? A bus? You want to unwrap this? Here. You want to unwrap this, Quinn?
Yeah.
Take the paper off. What's that?
Colors.
That's for the bathtub. It's colors for the bathtub. Here. Can you help me unwrap it?
Okay.
Pull the paper. Keep going. Look at that. Pull it up. What is this?
Toothbrush.
A Winnie the Pooh toothbrush. Oh boy, it's like Daddy's and Mommy's. It moved. There's more.
The box.
There's more.
Thank you.
Can you open it?
Thank you.
Pull the paper off. Help us unwrap it. Take the paper.
Oh.
I'm interested in the cookie.
Hey.
I should wait till he's done with it.
Yeah, Mommy.
What's that?
Ow.
Another. Look at that.
See a cow. See a cow.
What else is in there? What's that?
Corn.
Show Mommy. Show Mommy.
Corn, Mommy.
Yeah.
What else is in here? Keep going. There's more stuff in here.